What's up guys, Alex here, DefqonVegan. Welcome to another pre-workout mukbang. If you haven't done one of these with me before, here's how it's gonna go down. At about the 3-minute timer mark on this timer, I am going to take some pre-workout and you're gonna get hype with me on the way to the gym. Now, the idea behind this is you've got like your gym buddies that you go to the gym with sometimes and it doesn't always work out, you don't always get to go with them, but today we're gonna be your virtual gym buddies. So we're gonna mix up the pre-workout here and you can take pre-workout with me on the way to the gym. I'm gonna get the music going. We'll probably get to the gym about 13-14 minute mark and the pre-workout's gonna be about 3.5-4 minutes in just for your timings on it. Let me get the music going. Let's try to dig around, find the stuff. If you haven't met Peppy, the pre-workout pig, this is Peppy, and Peppy is disgusting on the inside right now. Super, super gross. Where is my pre-workout? This could be a problem. There we go. Oh, I missed the drop. There we go. Woo! I should probably slightly rinse out Peppy. Hope you guys are ready to get huge today. He's still gross. Alright, how much time I got? Gotta keep a tight schedule. Whoa, whoa. Alright, I got about 90 seconds. Grab my cold water. Oh my god, my cup is disgusting. Oh, it looks like it's bleeding. Alright, that's all the water I want. Woo! 1 minute to go, 1 minute to go. Better have your pre-workout getting mixed up. I am ready to lift. Make sure the music doesn't die out. I don't want you guys to lose hype. Woo! 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 Alright. Less than a minute to go. I'm feeling 2 scoops. It's a 2-scoop kind of day. Alright, how am I doing on time? This is the most stressful part of my week, trying to beat this unreasonable 3-minute timer that I set. Okay, we are right at 3 minutes. Oh, I almost forgot. I thought something was missing. I gotta turn Jeff on. Got a second thing of pre-workout mixed up right here. Alright, here we go. For 100,000 years, I have waited for pre-workout. Are you ready? It's time to drink your pre-workout. Let's go! Alright, we gotta get going.
You guys are probably
What happened?
You guys are probably wondering, what was DefQon doing? Well, today is leg day, for me at least. so I had to get mentally prepared. What better to do than sit in Alex's car overnight in a deep meditation, focusing on every leg muscle I was going to train.
Thinking about every fiber of every quad.
And the flex. Oh, I have awakened. Oh my god. You know how hard it is to sit for 4 good hours motionless with your eyes open?
Yeah, you've been out here a while.
Leg day.
I couldn't find Jeff in the house this morning. Figured out where he is. I didn't even know he was there until I gave him pre-workout. He was that still.
That's how deep the meditation was.
He meditated so hard, he was kind of like half the same color as the car, just blended in.
My actual particles in my physical makeup were displaced halfway in and out of our tangible existing dimension.
Wow!
I'll spare you the details. I was on some shit.
Wow! I don't have a seatbelt. What are you doing?
I don't have a seatbelt on.
So normally I take pre-workout throughout the week, and I haven't taken any since the last mukbang, which we actually film on Thursday, so it's been a week since I've taken pre-workout, and I've also limited my caffeine intake, and it's been about 2 minutes and I am peaking. I am at the top of the pre-workout spectrum. Oh.
My battle cries as I was drinking the pre-workout activated every little cerebral response in my brain to trigger instant pins and needles.
The yell that Jeff did, what are they doing? Oh, I guess.
Haha! Cutting people off!
Sorry, that was my bad.
Look at my flashy cup, you pussy!
Yeah, that yell that Jeff did when I pulled the lever and activated DefqonVegan, he just started shouting and my right ear is ringing. I have horrible pain in my right ear.
There was this thing that Alex used to do.
Oh my god. I used to ruin Jeff's life.
When we would be in the Mustang, it was very when you had the windows up, the cabin was really, really good with sound. Some noise reduction from the outside, but it also had a reverb or a boost. It would boost the sound that was already in the cabin.
It was so painful.
So Alex would yell at the top of his lungs and hit this particular distorted note, and he would instantly give me some crazy fucking headache. And he would do it all the time.
And now the time of day is important behind this too. As Jeff mentioned in the last video, we always lifted at midnight 30. I used to work at a restaurant. I'd get off super late, 11, 12 at night, and I'd call Jeff every night. Hey, yo, bro, I got pre-workout. You ready to lift?
And I'd be like, hell yes! I'd log out of World of Warcraft, put pants on.
This is why we're friends. I don't know if there's anybody else in the world that I'm like, hey, yo, bro, you want to lift? Oh, it's a little turtle. Don't go into the road, buddy. Don't go into the road. I save so many turtles. That's I feel so vegan when I save turtles. I really hope he doesn't go in the road. Now I'm stressed out. Oh, God.
He wasn't facing.
He wasn't going towards the road. Turtles are interesting. When you pick them up, if you're trying to get them across the road, you always have to put them the direction they were going. You could move them miles away and they'll walk back to that road to cross in the same direction they were going. It's weird.
They're stubborn as fuck.
They are. Oh, I almost forgot. I had a suggestion from a viewer on what hardstyle song to play. I'm gonna get that going right now. It's called I'm the Melody Man by Frontliner. This is the guy, he commented on one of my videos that had hardstyle in it. He's like, what? Bro, another vegan bodybuilder who's interested in hardstyle? I was like, I thought Jeff was the only other one on the planet.
DefqonVegan.
So there's another guy similar to us two out there, and one day, I don't know how it's gonna happen, we're gonna get him in a mukbang. It'll happen. One day.
Oh, speaking of viewers in their comments, that one viewer who was like,
oh my god.
you guys are such a cute couple. Wrong! I'm asexual. I only reproduce through budding. Little spores grow on my belly and they flake off, and little Jeff seedlings are like.
That's how you know we're at that turn. That's the turn that whenever we get to, something weird starts coming out of mine or Jeff's mouth. We're almost to the red light of eternal suffering.
It is so nice outside.
It's beautiful outside. Ooh, good song suggestion. I like this.
Buffet! Some poor old guy was on the sidewalk like...
Alright, the camera shut off because I ran out of time. I don't know what time it stopped at. You probably just saw us yelling about a puppy. We're at the red light now of eternal suffering. And we're going to be here a while as the pre-workout kicks up a couple So I'm going to make fun of some hardstyle. Whether you like hardstyle or not, if you've listened to a lot of it, I don't know if you have. But hardstyle has this tendency to go on these insane tangents. Every hardstyle song, almost all of them, this is how the drop goes. Like the build-up happens, and right before like the big like initial drop, it'll be like, and then some epic voice guy comes on and he's like, in a world where hardstyle was at the end of the universal spectrum of eternity, one man in the cactus of equilibrium could open his third eye to kicking bass. And it's just something, it's something way out there every time.
Literally every fucking time.
There's some songs where it's like a 2-minute monologue, and it's just like, what is this guy talking about?
You remember that one song that we found?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know. We were in the gym one day and Jeff walks up to me and he's just like, bro, I found like, you want to talk about epic hardstyle monologues? Play this. And it was like, it was
like
so
2.5 minutes.
Oh my god. It was so good that it's like comical. It's just funny.
And if you mix helium with hydrogen in the dimension where SpongeBob is God.
They're really that bad, like, but at the same time it gets me pumped. I like it.
That's like kind of fucked up. Why is it still red?
I feel it. I feel it. Woo! I gotta roll the windows down. You want to hear how big of a dorks we are? Mainly, it's green! Ah! Look out! For some reason, they installed like a Sheikra roller coaster drop in the middle of the road there. Alright, you want to hear how big of dorks we are? Mainly Jeff. I'm gonna have Jeff read this out loud. This is what Jeff.
God damn it.
This is what Jeff was texting me when I was trying to get ready and I was taking too long this morning.
He was in his room and I was sitting in the living room and we're ready to lift and we're getting super hyped. But he's in his room, taking forever. So I started texting him. I said, brother, the time is nigh. All the planets have aligned. The blood of the world broils again. Fueled by nothing but fury, the gods are sent to men. Some say demigods, but men nonetheless, to encroach on the Shadowlands, ruled by the greatest warriors who have ever lived. These men will show us the meaning of raw, unbridled wrath. Smiting the Shadow Lords with ease will only be a display of power. We come for the barbells. I was trying to get him to hurry up.
I'm like one room over. I
just didn't know how to tell him to hurry up.
This is how you know Jeff's a dork. But I'm a dork too, it's okay. Alright, we're at the gym. It's time to get hype and make sure we're on time. Hold on, that red light didn't feel long enough today. Yep.
Yeah, it did. What the fuck? That shit sucked.
We're about 15 minutes into the video. You guys should be at the gym right now. We're gonna play one more song and we're gonna get hype. This one goes out to my girlfriend. She suggested it. She's finally on her way back to this country. She's been out of the country for 6 weeks. I'm gonna get to see her tonight.
Oh, dude, I like fucking blew every fuse in the left side of my brain. Fucking white people.
Yeah, what are those? I'm gonna make sure it's recording. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it right back on in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we're back. The windows are down, by the way.
What the fuck was that?
People can hear and see everything we're doing. I wanna go home. Everybody say hey. All we want is a little of the good life. Are you ready to lift? Are you ready to train your muscle groups? Are you ready to get huge today? I'm gonna hit back. Jeff is gonna hit legs. I want you to grow. I don't know what I'm doing. Standing in line for a good time. You'll figure it out. You'll figure out how to do it one day.
Patrick! The lid!
The lid! Oh God, it's gonna drop again. If you're not hype yet, get hype now! I'm sweating. I'm sweating a lot.
Breakbeat junkie.
Alright. Wow. Wow. I don't know if I have a headache or there's just pre-workout
I'm gonna puke.
in every vein in my face.
I'm gonna puke.
My right ear is still deaf from Jeff's battle cry when we started.
There's a child crying and looking at us. Poor kid.
Alright. Remember to like this video, comment on it, let me know what you thought, get excited, let me know how you felt, and you can suggest a hardstyle song, only hardstyle songs, for the next video if you like hardstyle, and if you know one, I want to hear it, and I want to play it live for you on the mukbang.
It's the only genre.
It's the only genre, and epic choral fight music, but I already got that covered. Suggest a hardstyle song, like up the video, comment, subscribe if you want to see more pre-workout mukbangs. And remember, always remember, always, no matter what, eat plants, get huge, and lift.